Hello, welcome back to my video. My name is Eka Rizky Gultom. I'm from Methodist University of Indonesia. So in this video, I will talking about my research with the title is The Effect of Vocabulary on Student Speaking Ability. But for that, I wanna say thank you for my lecturer, Dr. Esron Ambarita SSM Hum, who give this assignment for us. Okay, let's start.
Introduction 1.1 The background of the study. Language plays an important role in human life. By using language, a person can make statements, convey facts and knowledge, explain or report something, and maintain social relations between language users. Especially English, because in modern time, English is something we usually encounter in everyday life. Talking is a very important face-to-face communication tool. A person's speaking ability contributes to his career success. On the one hand, speaking is a strong unifying force that tends to unite social groups. However, there are things that make students rarely express opinion or speak when in fact they are capable and know, namely vocabulary. They were afraid of being wrong and confused about their English, so they choose to remain silent. So, it can be said that grammar, vocabulary, listening, and speaking are an inseparable unity, but each student has or her own preferences and abilities. There are those who just like speaking. Some are expert in grammar, some are minus in listening. But the most important thing is speaking and vocabulary, because to know a foreign language, vocabulary is first, and we are able to speak even though we are not in a good and correct order, because it will get better when used to speaking and always add vocabulary every day. Therefore, based on the above explanation of the importance of vocabulary, the author takes the title, The Effect of Vocabulary on Students' Speaking Ability. 1.2 The Problem of the Study. What is the relationship between vocabulary mastery and speaking ability? Next, how to improve students' vocabulary skill in improving speaking abilities? 1.3 The objective of the study. 1. To determine the relationship between vocabulary mastery and speaking ability. 2. So that writers and readers know how to improve students' vocabulary skill in improving skill abilities. 1.4 The scope of the study. In doing this study, the writer makes limitation. The writer focuses to analyze the effect of vocabulary mastery on students' speaking ability and how to improve the speaking abilities in general. 1.5 The significance of the study. The significance of the study is to make the readers know about the importance of vocabulary to improve the ability to speak English. Because many people think that English is difficult and are embarrassed to speak when they don't have a good grammar. But to be able to speak does not have to be in perfect word, because it all starts with the vocabulary and try to speak English every day. Chapter 2 Theoretical Review. 2.1 Definition of vocabulary. Vocabulary is all the language and words either used or understood by a person or group of people. For expert understanding, you can see on your screen. 2.2 Definition of grammar. Grammar is the system of language. People sometimes describe grammar as the rules of a language, but in effect, no language has rules.
Language started by people making sounds which evolved into words, phrases, and sentences. Definition of speaking. Speaking is one of the four basic competences that the students should gain well. It has important role in communication. Speaking can find in spoken cycle, especially in joint construction of text stage. Departemen Pendidikan Nasional 2004. 2.3.1 Elements of speaking. In speaking, it is very important for students to acquire the ability to express their ideas and opinion. Consequently, this competency should be mastered by the learners of language. The ability to speak fluently presupposes not only knowledge of language feature, but also the ability to process information in language on the spot. Chapter 3 The Methodology 3.1 The Research Design. This research was conducted using a survey methodology with correlational analysis. Correlation analysis is an analysis to find the level of relationship or association between the independent variable and the dependent variable. 3.2 The search of the data. Search of the data is the most important thing in conducting research. Data is raw material that needs to be processed to produce the information. Both qualitative and quantitative data that show the facts. On the other side, data is material information about the object of study something. The data can be found by observation, interview, documentation, and etc. And this research takes the data and references from the internet. 3.3 The procedure of data collection. In collecting data, the writer used the research internet method, reading and looking for the data related to vocabulary and speaking and collect from the journal. The next step is to test each hypothesis that has been proposed. Hypothesis testing uses partial correlation and multiple correlation technique, as well as simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. 3.4 The technique of data analysis. The first is, after the necessary data has been collected, the next step is to process or analyze the data, in which the writer reads sites that discuss speaking and vocabulary and examine their effect on speaking skill. The second, speaking skill can be defined as the abilities possessed by students in producing sound system to express their thoughts through spoken word. Speaking skills are absolutely necessary as humans must show their existence in society. Talking involves listening to it. To be able to speak, a person needs an understanding of what he or she hears. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. If there is many mistaken, please forgive me. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.